So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a circular webcam for gaming videos on Premiere Pro. In order to do it, let's say for example this is my gaming my normal video, and over that I'll put my Facecam video that I'm going to use as circular webcam. Now click on that circular webcam clip. Under the opacity section, you just simply need to click on this option of Create Ellipse Mask. Click over there and you'll notice a circular mask will appear right in front of you. Now extend it as much as you want. Now for example this much. Now once you do it, you'll notice that a circular effect have been added to your video. You can customize it as much as you want just by moving it from here, and right there you can see a circular webcam like effect have been added to your videos just by using Premiere Pro. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.